Very good morning to all my dear students. Welcome to St. Anne's Public School Bagpat Online Economics Classes Part 30, Class 11 Commerce. As you know that we are working from our home. So my dear students, today we will discuss chapter number 2, Consumer's Equilibrium. As you know that in my previous video we have discussed with you what is the meaning of budget line and budget line with the help of schedule and diagram, and what is the meaning of budget set and budget set with the help of schedule, or you can say diagram. Then after we have discussed difference between budget line and budget set, but today we are going to study or discuss properties of budget line. My dear student, budget line has two properties. First property is budget line is downward sloping. Budget line is downward sloping because, or we can say why budget line is downward sloping. Budget line has a negative slope. Downward sloping means negative slope. Downward sloping means left to right, or you can say negative slope. And it also means that as more of one good can be bought more of one good can be bought by decreasing some units of other good, because as you know that income of consumer is limited. That's why if a consumer wants to increase if consumer wants to increase the consumption of one good, then he has to decrease the consumption of other good. I hope all of you have understood. As more of one good can be bought by decreasing some units of other good. That's why budget line is downward sloping. Budget line is downward sloping means that suppose consumer wants to increase the consumption of one good, then he has to decrease the consumption of other good. I hope all of you have understood. See, next property, budget line is a straight line. Budget line is a straight line. Why is it a straight line? Because it means that price ratio means slope. It means that price ratio means slope is constant. So the budget line is a straight line. I hope all of you understand why is it straight line. Because slope of budget line is constant. I hope all of you have understood what are the properties of budget line. Budget line means there are two properties of budget line. First is budget line is downward sloping. Always remember, budget line is downward sloping and budget line is a straight line. See, after this, shift in budget line. But see, please see, there will be shift, there will be, or you can say change in budget line, see here. First of all, change in budget line change in budget line has two part. First, shift in budget line, and second, rotation in budget line. Shift in budget line, second, rotation in budget line. See, shift in budget line means either change in income and price remains constant. Either price remains constant, or either change in income and price remains constant, or change in price of both goods. See, this is most important. Change in price of both goods. Both goods and income remains constant. Income remains constant. See, a rotation in budget line means either change in price of one good, either change in price of one good and price of other good remains constant. After this you can say or change in price of other good and price of one good remains constant. See, change in budget line has two part. First, shift in budget line, and second, rotation in budget line. Shift in budget line means budget line shift when either change in income and price remains constant, or change in price of both, or change in price of both goods and income remains constant. See, either change in price of one good means there is no role of income, I hope all of you have understood. Means in shift in budget line means change in income and change in price, change in income and change in price of both good play an important role. But in rotation in budget line, only change in price of either one of the good play an important role in rotation. See, either change in price of one good and price of other good remains constant, or change in price of other good and price of one good remains constant. See, there is no role of income, see here. You can write here change in budget line. See, change in budget line has two part. First part, shift in budget line. See, shift in budget line again has two part. See, change in income and price remains constant. Change in income and price remains constant. See, when income increases the budget line, it means that when income increases, purchasing power of consumer will increase. You know that when income increases, again I am repeating, when income increases, purchasing power of consumer will also increase. Means the budget line shift right from BC to B1 C1. Now see, this is original budget line BC. This is an original budget line means BC. See, BC shows that or you can say BC line means BC budget line is showing that consumer is consuming OB units of good Y and OC units of good X. OC units of good X. Again, BC is an original budget line. See, BC is showing that consumer is consuming OB